Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay. I think we're going to use the nested template. We're going to set this background to that for now. Set this background to this. Let's give it some margins. What? 60, 120. Okay. That would be a radial. We're going to set C to a radial gradient. This car. 65, 115, so 50, so 25 pixels. And then transparent. We're going to remember to do 1Q. Then we're going to do bar B. Going to shift it minus 60 pixels. No. 10. Perfect. Minus 50. How about 40? Perfect. Then we'll do another one. 110 pixels, 40 pixels. Right. That now gets us to this. And this background, we're going to assume that those circles are the same size. So we will do radial gradient. Let's go. Yeah, transparent, 25 pixels in this color. $135, 215, so 80. So if we do 0, 0, 80 pixels. We'll also remember to give this a 1Q to make it a circle. And if we also do 80 pixels that way, I think all we need is 10 pixels. No, that's the way, and it probably wants to be minus 5 then. Yeah. And how about minus 5 pixels that way as well? Perfect. And that is 100% match. Now, is there a better way we could do that? Well, what we could do, I doubt this is going to be any smaller, but let's have just one element. We'll make this background a conic gradient. We got 125, 275, so 150. 150 sounds right. So at 150 pixels, 150 pixels. The light blue, 75%. Purple. Then we shift it into place. So 125 pixels. 7 pixels. 75. And that gets us that. Now the let's just do height 50, just 50. Then margin 0. 50 off of that, so 325, no, 200 minus 25, so 225. Let's just temporarily give this a background so that we can see what it is. Not 225, 175. Take 8 off of that. So 167. That looks round. Well, for the radius, same length if you use that, or 50%. So we'll go with 50%. Do box shadow. Minus 30 pixels. 60 pixels. Let's try minus 40. And 8. Oh, 75 maybe. Down to let's just look where we've got that a bit further. 8, about 9. About 10. Okay, that looks good. About 40 pixels, 75 pixels. 40 pixels and 50 pixels. Right. Cool. That one 60 is too much, so it's 155 pixels. 155. We'll set color to the one we're using most, which is that. Then we want minus 75 to 155 is 30, 80 rather, so minus 120 pixels, 25 pixels. It's purple. About 110. Perfect. Then 110 pixels. 55 pixels, and likewise the purple. That is also 100%. Now, could we tidy up some of these numbers a bit? So let's just check what unit replace will do. Not a lot. So how about we move this 20? Give it 25, and then we can make that 50, 50, 30. I want it to be 35. Yeah. Right. I've got one that's out, which will be this one. Yeah, that doesn't really help either, because 50 doesn't work. I made it 6. 60 would be 140. Let's try making that 45. No, 15. And 60 doesn't collapse either, but it collapsed a bigger number. So anyway, let's minify. Yeah, our first solution was better. Anything we could do with this? So it's 250 across. I don't think I can get away with that. be able to get away with 53%. Don't think that'll work. Only saves us one character anyway. Yeah, I didn't think it would. Alright. Let's just check that I haven't broken anything. Could shift this in the positive axis instead, which would mean 75 pixels. But that also doesn't help. I think -5 was more logical. Okay. That's where I'm going to leave it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.